There are up to 11 different documents you may need to successfully ship your goods to an international customer. Without them, your shipment could be held up in customs and you might not get paid. I'm going to tell you about those 11 documents, but before I do, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our videos sharing practical advice for exporters and importers. Here are the 11 documents you may need to prepare for your export shipments. Number 1, a proforma invoice. It's basically your quote. Number 2, a commercial invoice. It's probably the most important document because it includes most of the details of your export. Number 3, a packing list. It details all the items in your shipment and may help your freight forwarder correctly prepare a bill of lading. Number 4, a certificate of origin. It could be a generic certificate of origin stamped by a Chamber of Commerce, or it might be a free trade agreement certificate of origin like the USMCA for shipments between the US, Mexico, and Canada. Number 5, a certificate of free sale. It provides proof that your goods can be sold in the United States, which is used by foreign countries as proof your item is safe. Depending on what you're shipping, it may need to be issued by the Food and Drug Administration or stamped by a Chamber of Commerce. Number 6, a shipper's letter of instruction. Think of it as a cover memo that provides all the information your freight forwarder needs to properly arrange your shipment. Number 7, an inland bill of lading. It's a contract of carriage for moving your goods to the port of export. Number 8 and 9, the international bills of lading, either an ocean bill of lading or an airway bill. Number 10, dangerous goods forms. If you're shipping something hazardous, you'll need the IATA Shipper's Declaration for Dangerous Goods for your air shipments or an IMO Dangerous Goods Declaration for non-air shipments. Number 11, a bank draft. Depending on the terms of your sale, you may need to provide a bank draft in order to collect payment for your goods. These are just the 11 most common export documents. You won't need all 11 for one export, but you'll typically need 4 or 5 documents depending on what you're shipping, where you're shipping, and how. Entering all your export information over and over again on all these export forms can be a real pain in the you-know-what. Luckily, Shipping Solutions export documentation and compliance software is the easy way to create accurate export documents, including the one I've just talked about. Let us show you how it works. Click here to watch a video demo of the software, or click the link below to schedule a free live demo. There's no obligation. And to learn more about exporting, subscribe to this channel and to our free international trade blog linked below.